we see one more method to prepare your nitroanilenes. Okay, we have seen one in the earlier video, and we will see one more method in how to prepare nitroanilenes. So let us start with this. Here, my starting material now is aniline. What is aniline? This is benzene. I put an amino group here. What is an amino group? Amino group is this group, right? So this compound, what I have written is aminobenzene, commercially called as, well known by the name aniline. You subject this to a reaction called as acetylation. Now what is acetylation? Acetylation, in short I'll write like this. Acetylation is nothing but a reaction with acetic anhydride. So you make it to react with acetic anhydride. And what is this symbol which you are using? This is heat. What is this chemical which you are using? This is acetic anhydride. Acetylation reaction will take place. Where it will take place and what is acetylation? It's very simple. We have seen in the earlier videos also. You remove this hydrogen atom from the amino group. I remove the hydrogen atom from the amino group. I have removed one hydrogen atom from here. See, there were two hydrogen atoms here. I have removed one hydrogen atom. So now it becomes NH. Because you have removed two. There were two hydrogen atoms. You removed one. So it becomes NH. How many hydrogen atoms you have removed? I have removed one. So there will be one chain D or one bond here. Now you put that acetyl group. I have told you many times in the video, please by heart certain groups. This is your acetyl group which I am writing here with red pen. This is my acetyl group. Where have you got this acetyl group from? I have got it from acetic anhydride. Why? Because acetic anhydride is an acetylating agent. So you have got that acetyl group from there. Here. This compound which you have got is given a name. We call it as acetanilide. This is acetanilide. What you have done is actually you have done an acetylation reaction by making it to react with acetic anhydride. Now, we are making it to react with a mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated sulfuric acid. Now, when I make it to react with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, what are my intentions? My intentions are to carry out a reaction which you call it as nitration, and this are my nitrating mixture. A mixture of concentrated HNO3, nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. So it's a reaction whereby one of the hydrogen atom will be removed from the aromatic ring. See, it cannot be removed from this position. From the aromatic ring, that means either from here, 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 here or here. It's the aromatic ring which will get involved. Only this ring will be involved. So remove one hydrogen atom will remove and we will replace it by nitro group. So here my reaction will look something like this. Here aromatic ring. This is NH. Your acetyl group COCH3. The hydrogen atoms are preferentially removed either from the ortho position, this is my ortho position, or from the para position, not from the meta. So it is either ortho or para. If I remove hydrogen atom from the ortho position, you can see this with reference to this group. This is your ortho position. Even this position is ortho. So you have two ortho positions, two meta and one para. I have taken one ortho position. So you remove the hydrogen atom from the ortho position and replace it by a nitro group. A nitro group looks like this. See, nitro. Now this compound is nothing but it's an nitro derivative of acetanilide. It is ortho nitro acetanilide. Okay. Will I get something else? Yes, you will get something else. And what is that something else? You will also have a para-isomer. So how does the para-isomer looks like? Your para-isomer will look like this, COCH3. Now, we are going to take out the hydrogen atom. For this compound, I took the ortho isomer. You get one more isomer I told you. So the hydrogen atom will be removed from this position, para. So we will take out the hydrogen atom here. See here, see the pen? With reference to this group, this position, diagonally opposite here, there was an H here. So I have removed that hydrogen atom and I replaced it by a nitro group here. So this is ortho nitro acetanilide. Let me write down the name, O nitro acid anilide. And what is this? This is para nitro acid anilide. So you get a mixture of orthonitroacetanilide and paranitro-acetanilide, right? Now this is 10% and this is 90%. So this is my minor product, whereas this becomes major product. And what was your intention? My intention was to prepare nitroaniline. So I take the one. Which one is the major? The major product is this one, paranitroacetanilide. So I take this paranitroacetanilide here and I carry out the further step of the reaction. So here I have taken this compound. I am copying down this compound here. If you can see, it is nothing but it is NHCOCH3. And where is my nitro group? My nitro group is here. So I have taken the para isomer. It is nothing but para nitro acid anilide. So you have taken this. Now you subject it to a reaction called as, first we will add an acid. Is it all right? So it is nothing but an acid hydrolysis will carry out nothing but acid hydrolysis and heat. The reaction will take place. Where the reaction will take place? So you focus here, here. The reaction will take place here. So this part and this part you will write as it is. I told you so many times that hydrolysis is nothing but addition of a molecule of water. But where the water molecule is going to add? It is going to add here. So you break the compound. See here. I have broken the compound. You put H here because hydrolysis is nothing but addition of a molecule of water. So I put H here and OH here. Now the main thing is you should know how to write down the product. You will write down the product. It's very simple. See. This ring and this nitro group as it is. So this ring, okay, and this nitro group as it is. There is an bond here. Can you see this bond? The same bond I have put here. Aage kya? What is there above this bond? Nitrogen. So I put nitrogen. What else? See, you will get two parts. This is one part and this is our other part, right? So this is other part, this is the other part. Now there is a nitrogen atom here. Already there is a hydrogen atom and one more H here. So I am talking about this H and this H. Wahan ek hydrogen, one more hydrogen. So total number of hydrogen atom attached here will be 2. The total number of hydrogen atom attached to nitrogen atom is obviously 2. How 2? Nitrogen here, hydrogen and hydrogen. N, H and H. So NH2. 1 nitrogen, 2 hydrogen. Now this part will be removed in the reaction here. So this part will be removed in the reaction. Now what is removed in the reaction? Removed. So I say minus. Let us work out this. This is CH3. CH3. This is COOH. So COOH. It's a very famous compound, popular compound. acetic acid is removed in the reaction. So that acetic acid is removed in the reaction. Alright. Now, since an acid is removed in the reaction, what we do is the reaction has to be carried out in an alkaline medium also. Is it alright? So we use an alkali. This will help you to remove this acid fast. Now you have got your compound. What is the name of this compound? What will be the name of this compound? The name of this compound will be, it is para nitroaniline. So when you prepare para nitroaniline, what we do is, we start with aniline. We have taken aniline here. You did an acetylation reaction. You got acetanilide. You did nitration. You have two isomers. One as a minor and one as a major. The orthoisomer is a minor product and the para isomer is a major product. So I took the major product which you have got. You took the major product which you have got. Right? So we have taken the major product which you have got. Which was the major product? The major product was para nitroacetanilide. This reaction is nothing but hydrolysis. We get the formation of para nitroaniline. So this is how you prepare para nitroaniline. Okay. Thank you.